Remember, our cars are an extension of our homes. So whether it's dirty, whether it's clean, whether it's cluttered, or whether it's organized, it reflects our current emotional state. Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. This is a channel all about organizing. So whether it is through DIYs, whether it's through inspiration, whether it's through stories, this is a channel that you may like. So if you're interested in learning how you could be more organized in your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So back to the video. As summer is here, at least in this side of the world, our cars typically take the most beating. Actually, compared to a lot of things, our cars are typically neglected. At least it's second or fifth priority. And I say that because during this time we take road trips, our kids are involved in a lot of extracurricular activity. We change in our cars, we consume ice cream or snow cones because we're trying to cool our bodies down. Let's just say we do a lot of stuff in our cars, sometimes more than we do in our own homes. So as you already know, this video is about how to keep your car clean. I'm gonna give you 7 tips on how you can keep your car clean moving forward so you will never have to worry about your car again. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So tip number 1, probably one of the most important things you can do right now to keep your car clean is to stop eating in your car, guys. Stop it. Eating in your car is probably one of the worst things you can do because when you eat in your car, you are spreading bacteria in your car. This is also caused by food falling and creating odors. Eating in your car is a no-no, at least in my book. No one eats in my car. Even my little nieces and nephews, they know not to eat in Auntie Judy's car, and I'm really serious about it because no one eats in my car. My car's clean. My car stays clean. It smells good. Other than, of course, the other tips I do, it just has this clean look, and I am no more ashamed of my car. Trust me, I used to be the queen of eating in my car. I actually mastered how to eat in my car. I knew how to steer with my knees, which I'm not recommending any of you guys do, but I knew how to eat in my car. And sure, it worked, but I was still touching the steering wheel and touching everything else. It was still licking it was gross. It was gross, guys. I'm sorry. I'm probably giving you too much information, but it was not a good idea. So next time you go through that drive-through, you get that bag of food and you seal it tight. Roll it, guys. Roll it tight so you won't smell it, even though the smell's still gonna seep through, but just hold off for 10, 15 minutes, get to your home, and then enjoy that meal in the comfort of your home. In all seriousness, try not to eat in your car because eating in your car spreads bacteria, it creates odors, and that's not what we want, especially if we're trying to maintain a clean car. So the second tip is to always keep a trash bin or waste bin in your car. So whether that's a grocery trash bag, whether that's a cereal container, whether that's an actual trash that is for your car, always have something to gather trash, a place for everything, a place for your trash. There's so many DIY projects you can incorporate into your car that works as a trash can, and it really makes the world of difference. So yes, for you guys out there who will be eating in your car, or if you have little ones who, if you're going on a long road trip and they will be eating or they need to eat in the car, of course, just make sure whenever they finish eating that they know to put it in the trash. This will really help keep the interior of your car clean and just free of clutter and free of junk. So tip number 3 is to garage your car. Put your car in a garage always. Of course, if you guys don't have a garage, this may not apply to you, but if you do, try to make sure you have room in your garage to garage your car. This prevents it from being scratched, from being held on, from a lot of times being even rained on. It protects you from different weather changes, whether it's too hot or too cold outside. It really makes the world of difference when it comes to maintaining your car, the longevity of your car, especially the exterior paint. Before I had this car, I had a car that just the exterior was just shot. I mean, it sat in heat all day. The paint chipped off. So it was a struggling car. I loved it. I had it for 6 years, guys. That's probably the longest that I've had a car. That was my second car. So only had 3, but it was the longest that I've had any car. And it was crazy because it was a car that went to college with me and then my adulthood. So it was a car that I really cherished, but I did not take any kind of care of it, guys. Not even a little. Yeah, I have a lot of stories about that car, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, garaging it just really makes a world of difference. When I started garaging my car almost 4 years ago, I can't believe that for 26 years I didn't garage my car. So, and if your garage is full of clutter, guys, try to make sure that you schedule some time in and focus on decluttering and purging your garage. Get rid of those items that you no longer need, that are no longer necessary in your life. Remember, guys, it's about your lifestyle. If your current lifestyle does not incorporate certain things in your home, get rid of it. There's no reason why you should hold on to it. And if you guys are saying, well, what if in the future I'm going to need it? Then in the future, buy it. Just buy it in the future because it's probably going to be upgraded anyways, and it's going to be a better one out there. So try not to, I know it's hard, especially for a lot of items that have sentimental value. I know it's hard to get rid of those items or those items that have history. But guys, if it doesn't fit into your lifestyle, because our goal is to live a life that's full of abundance, that's full of clarity. And if it doesn't fit into your current lifestyle, it no longer needs to be in your life. I went on a tangent, but I'm back. Tip number 4 is to wash your car. I would suggest washing your car at least 2 times a month. If you can't, at least 1 time a month. Whether it's hand washing or whether it's going to an actual car wash, try to wash your car a couple times a month because this will help maintain your car, especially the exterior. So when we can at least wash it, rid it of dirt, rid it of pollen, rid it of any type of outside mess, it really helps with the paint job. It really helps keep it lasting longer, at least looking cleaner. I try to wash my car as often as I can, and it really keeps it clean, and it really helps maintain the cleanliness of my car, and it can help you too. All right, guys. All right. So the 5th tip is to vacuum your car. Okay, of course, if you're taking your car to a car wash, most of the time you're going to vacuum your car anyways, but I mean keeping a handheld vacuum in your car. I have a handheld vacuum, and it really helps during those times I haven't washed or vacuumed my car at a car wash. You know, we go in and out of our cars on a daily basis. So, and because of that, you track in dirt, you track in leaves, other stuff that you probably don't even see. Ugh. Ugh. And a vacuum can really help minimize this. If you saw my trunk organizing video, you saw that I keep my vacuum in the back of my trunk. Whenever I need it, I just connect it to the cigarette lighter. The car has to be on, and I just vacuum it. It's really easy. The cord is long enough, and it really helps with maintaining the cleanliness of my carpet. I will leave the trunk organizing video in the link below, just in case if any of you guys haven't watched it yet. So the 6th tip is to keep a microfiber cloth in your car always. I have about 3 microfiber cars. I have about 3 microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths, microfiber cloths, microfiber. Can you say that 3 times? Let me know if you can say that 3 times. It's really difficult. But I have about 3 to 4 microfiber cloths in my car at one time. I have 2 to 3 in the back, and then I always have 1 near me. This helps me rid dust off of my dashboard, so it keeps it clean. I like to also spray it with some dashboard cleaner to keep it nice and fresh and shiny. My microfiber cloth also helps keep fingertips off of my windshield, at least helps me clean the fingertips from my windshield, oil from my hair, my skin. I'm not sure why my face is touching the window, but it just really helps keep the interior of my car clean. And it also helps with spills in case I'm drinking a beverage in my car, which I'm not saying that you should. There are times that I spill it and the microfiber cloth just absorbs that liquid so quickly you wouldn't even know it's there. And there are so many places you can purchase them at. I have purchased mine at dollar stores. I've purchased them at Target. Clean My Space is a great channel. You guys should watch them. I'm sure you do, actually. I'm sure most of you guys do. But she sells microfiber cloths and they look amazing. I'm sure they're great quality. Keep one in your car and it will keep your car clean. So the last but not least tip to keeping your car clean is to clean it out daily. Every time you leave your car at the end of the day, clean it out. Whether that's taking the trash out and putting it in your home trash, whether that's taking the shoes out of your car, your bags out of your car, your clothes out of your car. Cleaning it out creates a clean and clear space in your car. So when you come into your car the next day, you breathe freely, you breathe well, it feels good, you're in a good place, a good space. It just really makes the world of difference in your mind and just physically. I keep to this always, and I just love coming into my car every day. It's like coming into a new car. If you want to keep your car clean, try to clean it out every time you get out. At least guys, at least do it at least 3 times a week. I know sometimes it's hard, especially when you had a rough day at work. The last thing you're thinking about is cleaning out your car. So I get it. Trust me, I get it. But if you can do it a couple of times a week, you will notice how clean your car stays. So it's time for the giveaway. Let's see who won the booby trap. All right, and the winner is Veronica Cameron, and you have 6 siblings, and you are the eldest. All you have to do is send me an email with your information, and your booby trap will be on its way. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.